Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to install KDE Live. It's a video editing software. So let's get started. First open the terminal and type sudo apt update. After the update, type sudo apt install snap snapd. Let me clear the terminal. Now type sudo snap install Kdenlive as shown in the video. The installation process will take time, so you need to wait. I'll fast forward the video. Installation is done. Let's open this software. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.